I am Gaurav Kumar from class 7 and I am going to tell you about election process. For the election purpose, the whole country is divided into constituencies. Preparation of electoral rolls voter list is the second and the most important stage of election process. Once the electoral roll is completed, the election commission announces the date of election. After after this, the polling.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Abdullah from class 7. Today I will tell you about thermometer. First, clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometers are used to measure the body temperature.
Today's topic is health is wealth. Health is God gift to us. Health refers to the physical and the mental state of our life. To stay healthy is not an option, but it is necessary to live a happy life.
Good morning to all. My name is Rajesh Tapsi from class 7A. 7. Today's topic is Universal Adult Franchise. Under Universal Adult Franchise, all citizens of India who are 18 years and above are irrespective of their caste, creed, gender, color, race, religion, and economic condition are free to vote. It was granted.
Good morning to all. My name is Vilas Rana from the standard of class 7. Today's my topic is elections. The process in which people vote and choose their representative. There are two types of elections: direct election and indirect election. Direct election. In these type of elections,
There are 5 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, and radioactive pollution. The common pollutions are air, water, and land. Pollution is very dangerous for human beings and as well as all living creatures. The best way to avoid.
Hello everyone,